How to start a blog and make money from day one. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. Also, don't forget to check the description box if you want to know what is my number one recommendation to make money online, as well as you will find some useful tools that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So, starting a blog can be daunting, it's true, but it's an incredibly rewarding way to share your expertise as well as to make money online. So, in this video, I will show you how you can start a successful blog and make money and monetize it from day one. So, we will go through several steps, starting with the first one, and that is to choose a profitable niche. So, if you are wondering how you can pick a niche, there are several things that you might need to consider. The first one is your passion as well as profit. So make sure to find a topic that you're passionate about, but also has the potential to make money. So make sure to combine these two together. Don't just follow passion if you cannot monetize it well, and don't just follow monetization if you are not passionate about, as you will give up midway and won't be able to continue. And secondly, you need to research your market. So always make sure to use keyword research and competitor analysis to find a niche with demand. And I recommend you to start with a low competition niche. So go for those low hanging fruits as they will not be that hard to be successful with in the beginning. And thirdly, you need to consider the targeted audience. So always choose a specific target audience and not just a general topic. So you can create content that resonates. So for example, if you have a weight loss blog, make sure at first to target a specific audience. Say for example, weight loss for moms older than 40 years old, something like that. And it's okay as you can always create other topics, but at the beginning, just focus to create that um, audience base. And the final point is you need to stay focused. So don't be afraid to niche down and stay focused on your chosen topic. So, as we mentioned in the targeted audience, at the beginning, just pick any targeted audience and create content specifically for that audience till your blog starts to grow. You start to have some community or audience base, and after that, you can start to expand and branch out to other audiences as well. So after you have done that and you gone through all of the previous steps and points, it's time now to create the compelling content. So how can you do that? How can you create content based on what you are going to create your content? The first thing is the audience. So once you define your audience, you need to understand who your target audience is and what they want from your blog. So put yourself and position yourself in place of your audience, and this way will really help you to create content for the targeted people. And secondly, you need to develop a strong tone. So establish your voice and tone to create consistent and compelling content. And this way, whenever your audience reads a blog, whatever that blog might be, they know that this blog was created by you as you have that specific tone of yours. And thirdly, always use creative elements. So make sure to use visuals like images and videos to enhance your content and make it more engaging. Nobody likes to read an essay when they go to your blog, so make it appealing to them. Now, once you have gone through all of the previous steps, you have defined your audience, you started creating your content, etc. It's time now to generate traffic to that blog. And there are several ways that you can use to bring visitors. So, for example, you can use the SEO optimization, which is always my favorite one, as people and visitors will be looking for you and not the other way around. So always use keyword research and on-page optimization as well as all off-page optimization to boost your search engine rankings and drive traffic. And this will allow you to literally get visitors and make money while you are sleeping or doing whatever you want. This is the true form of passive income. And the second way that you can do that is to social media promote. So always make to promote your blogs on social media to reach a wider audience and build your following. This can be helpful to kickstart your blog as it can give you faster results than SEO, which always take kind of a long time. And the third thing that you can do is the guest blogging. So you can write high quality guest posts for other blogs in your niche to get backlinks and referral traffics. And this is kind of your reach out to other popular blogs to guest post and write posts for them in exchange for some traffic and visitors coming to your website. So now we come to the real stuff, monetizing your blog from day one. Now this can be done through several ways, which we will go through one by one. First one, and hands down the best one, is affiliate marketing, where you partner with companies and promote their products to earn commissions on sales. And the second one is the sponsored content. So you can create sponsored posts for brands that align with your niche to earn money for your blog. This can be kind of tricky at the beginning as you need to be someone famous in your space for brands to reach out to you or to even accept your offer when you reach out to them in order to create uh, posts and content for them. And the third one is the displayed ads. So you can use Google AdSense and other ad networks to display ads on your blog and earn money per click or impression. And this usually takes some time, but some people can do it from day one. For example, if you do trending topics and get a ton of visitors from day one, you can monetize it through ads. So since our video is talking about how you can monetize a blog from day one, I will now give you some tips on how you can do that using affiliate marketing and sponsored content. If you are asking why I have excluded ads, um, sure, some people can do it, but you need to be really know what you are doing or get lucky, as it's very hard to get monetized with ads, especially from day one. That would be unrealistic for most people. So, but with affiliate marketing and sponsored content, it's quite reasonable to do that, especially with affiliate marketing. So here are some tips that will help you to do that. So number one, choose relevant products and services. Make sure to select products and services that aligns with your niche and audience for the best result. So if you have a weight loss blog, you want to promote weight loss products. You don't want to promote muscle building products as that does not relate to with your audience and you will not get the results you are looking for. And secondly, you need to disclose your affiliate links. So be transparent with your audience about your affiliate partnerships and provide the disclaimers as necessary. So always, if you are adding, this is something kind of legally, if you are adding affiliate links on your blog, always tell your audience that this is an affiliate link and I might earn commission, or I will earn commission whenever you purchase something at no extra cost to you. And also tell them that this help you to keep running your blog, and they will happily purchase using your link, as they always want to support you if you are creating content that helps them. Thirdly, you need to create campaign sponsored content. This is if you are doing sponsored posts or blogs or ads. You need to always write high quality posts that fit the tone of your blog and provide value to your audience. So always make sure that whatever brand you are promoting, it will help your audience and benefit them, and not just not do it just for the money. And now I will give you some tips that will help you to success, and they will help you with the long-term sustainability. So always keep in mind that consistency is key. Make sure to create a regular content schedule and stick to it, whether that be once every week, once every day, once every month, depending on your time and your energy. Just always make sure to stick with your schedule. Secondly, make sure to stay up to date with trends, as you need to stay current with new trends and changes in your niche, as this will help you to drive visitors faster, as we've said before, and also your visitors will see you as a resource. So if anything new happen, they will come to you to view your opinion and take your advice. And thirdly, make sure to engage with your audience. So you will be building a community, a fan base basically, that will trust you and be loyal to you. So make sure to never neglect them, as indeed you are the one who needs them, as they don't really need you. They can always find another person, but you need that loyal fan base that will keep purchasing stuff from you, keep visiting your blog, etc. So also always make sure to respond to comments and engage with your audience to build that loyal following. Conclusion: starting a blog can be challenging. It's true. But with the right strategies that you will learn along the way, it can also be incredibly rewarding, to the point that you literally reach in the skies, as with this business model, only the sky is the limit. People are making insane amount of money, and they are getting famous just using their blogs, which will eventually change your life. So by choosing a profitable niche, creating compelling content, generating traffic, and monetizing your blog, you can achieve success and long-term sustainability. So that was it for this video. I hope that it has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. And don't forget to check the description box to get to know my #1 recommendation to make money online, as well as to find out some useful tools that might be helpful to you. With that said, see you in the next video.